All right, quick video on seat cleaning. I don't know if you can really see here, but you can see these stretch marks growing on my seat. Took a long trip from Rhode Island to Schenectady, New York. Spent a couple days out there with the family, and the rest of the seat looks absolutely great, but this bolster right here, my wife was wearing jeans, she was driving a lot, got really disgusting. These stretch marks are where you're sitting on the seat and they're not coming in contact with any of the blue dye or whatnot, your grime and stuff from your jeans. Here is another one that can really get bad. This one isn't too bad right now, but that bolster is always super disgusting. I'm going to show you what to use to get rid of it. Here is the magic stuff. Car Guys Super Cleaner, versatile and effective multi-surface cleaner. This stuff is what you use on it. It smells great and easy to apply. First, open it up so it sprays a little bit, and then liberally just douse it. Let it feel it, let it soak in, let it drip away, let it collect all right there, and just go ahead and hit the seat. I'm not gonna hit it with a brush right now. I'm just gonna use a microfiber cloth and kind of use my fingers to do it. Usually what I'll do is a nice brush, I'll go ahead and do my thing on there, bam, 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 just like that, and let it go ahead and sit in and kind of marinate, do its thing a little bit, and it comes right up. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna use this puddle right here that gains as well to go ahead and hit the spots that I didn't get and just clean up. You can see right over here, it's getting kind of grungy, just dripping. You can see it working. So let's go ahead and get this working. All right, here we go back at it, and look, absolutely zero stretch marks, nothing. You can see the wear lines, but where are the stretch marks? You can see where I didn't even get this over here. Let me wipe that up. But all I did is go ahead and just rub away like this, just like this. Get down in this crease down here, boom, wipe away, and boom, it is literally gone. My car's a 2023 November build, Model Y Performance. I've had this car July 2023 now, so I've had it since November 2022. You do the math. Over 14,000 miles on the car, and it looks like this. I'm a 300-pound, 6-foot guy, weighs on the seat, still looks fantastic. So again, highly recommend this brand. Use it, your seats will love you. Nothing more to say. Go ahead, like, share, do what you got to do with this vid. Share our content, share the algorithm, or I should say feed the algorithm so they share our vids. Again, love it, like us, sub. See you on the next one.